Welcome back to another video from Insectech's Android Application Penetration Testing course. In this video we are going to see a scenario where we may have to use tools like APKTOOL. So the knowledge we have gained in the past two videos is going to be useful for us in this video. So let's say you are performing a pen test on an application and you want to find out all the content providers that are being used in that application. So this is what we can do now. Let's say this is the application which is vulnerablecontentprovider.apk. This is shared in your download section. You can download it, and I have placed it inside this APKTOOL folder. Now I'm trying to find out all the content providers that are available in this particular application. So to do that, we can actually decompile the application because content providers will be in the source code. So let's do a quick ls, and as you can see, this is where we are in, and let's run this APKTOOL and give d and vulnerablecontentprovider.apk, hit enter. It creates a new folder. Now if you just navigate to this Smiley, before going ahead and doing that, just have a look at Android manifest.xml file. As you can see, it has one provider inside this. So by decompiling the application, we can actually see the Android manifest.xml file where we can actually identify if there are any providers that are registered. As we can see here, there is one content provider which is registered. This is the name of the class or the name of the provider, but content provider will have content provider generally will have content : / as a scheme. So if you go to the source code of this application, we can even get a lot more details about this particular content provider. So let's get into this Smiley code, Android pen testing, vulnerable content provider, and let's get into this main activity $1 and see if we can get anything interesting. Seems nothing is there. Let's have a look at this data content. As you can see, we have got a content provider which is content : / com.androidpentesting.vulnerablecontentprovider.data / user details. So this is how we can actually use APKTOOL to get some kind of information, or you can actually use this APKTOOL to further help you out in your pen test, right? So that's all I have in mind for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. In the next module, we'll use this particular application, vulnerable content provider, to see what kind of vulnerabilities that can be there in this application and how to exploit them as well using a tool called Drowser, right? So thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot.